Hi everyone, it's John Hoey here, the SEO manager at the Marketing People. On today's SEO Thursday, it's a very special one because it's SEO Friday. Now, Google offer a free tool, as you are aware from watching our previous videos, called Google My Business. It's a great piece of software to keep your visitors in the local area up to date with your blog posts, opening hours, things like that. Now, with the Christmas period and the festive period coming up, you obviously need to let your customers and clients know when you're closed. We'd like to think that not everyone like us is going to be in on Christmas Day, so hopefully this will give you a quick overview on how to update your special opening hours. So if you go to google.co.uk/business, you can then log into your Google My Business account. If you've got a Google My Business account already set up, it should automatically load for you. If you don't, we've got a great blog post on our website on how to set this up in less than 5 minutes. Please check it out. So go to your Google My Business page. On the left hand side, you've got information, just this little box here, and here it pulls up all the information on your details. And then just underneath your opening times, we've got a little section here which is the special hours. Google automatically populates this for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's Day. You can also add extra dates as well. So you can say when you're open and closed. So say, for instance, on the 23rd, we're going to be in. We're closed all over the Christmas period as well. So we're going to get that updated. So I'll just show you how to do this. Just add new date. Then we go to the 27th. And then we're just going to put closed during that period. And we can do exactly the same for every single day that we're open or closed over Christmas. What this does is that when people search for your company over the Christmas period, it will then show that whether or not you're open or closed, just on the Google information box here on the right hand side. As you can see, this is searching for the Marketing People, and we've got all our information here about our opening hours. As you can see, open, close at 5:30 tonight. So remember as well to get a blog post out on your website and on Google My Business as well. If you are looking for help with that, please get in touch with us and we will very happily help you out before we close on the Christmas period. Now, on behalf of myself, thank you ever so much for watching all the videos this year, not just for SEO but for Pete and all the PPC team. Thank you to David and Amanda and Emma and Ash and Laurie, everyone here. We've had a great year. Remember, get in touch with us. We're happy to help you with everything that everything from a marketing perspective. Have a wonderful Christmas and a safe, enjoyable New Year. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.